Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Digital Builders, where we help you build your digital future. Today I just want to do a quick update on Wonderland DAO and the Time token. Took a bit of a dip today. I want to cover that as well as the macro crypto environment. Before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much for all the support so far. Hit my first goal of 1,000 subs. I'm going for 2,000 now. Please smash that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now let's take a look at Wonderland DAO. As you can see, it did take a bit of a tumble today. A few days ago, it was up to, I think, close to 44 or maybe almost 4,500 per time token. So we did have quite a significant drop down to the $3,400, $3,500 range. And at this range, I did deploy some more capital and I did increase my position. I bought in a little bit more. I try not to time the market unless I really feel good about that move that I'm making. I think dollar cost averaging in is usually a better strategy overall, just especially with crypto because it is so volatile. And if you need to maybe scratch that degenerate itch a little bit and you want to deploy some more capital, if you have funds in reserve, whenever there's a dip of, let's say, 10, 20, 30%, you can add more to your position then. That's what I do. In most cases, it just depends on what the crypto is that I'm dealing with, and even stocks for that matter. However, this isn't financial advice. This is just something that I do occasionally. And yeah, talk to a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just informational and educational purposes only. So yeah, I think what's happening here, if we take a look, I still think the time ecosystem is very strong. Granted, it's been like 1 week, it's been 1 day, this is crypto after all, things are going to be up and down. Overall, we can still see that Phantom is going strong and Sushi is going strong, both of which have been or are anticipated to be incorporated into Daniele's overall plan with Wonderland DAO, Abracadabra Money, Popsicle Finance, and Sushi Swap being their digital exchange or decentralized exchange, as well as some items and processing happening on the Phantom blockchain as well, kind of happening behind the scenes. So very curious to see how that all comes together, especially the Phantom part. I want to see how that's going to unfold. So I will be keeping a close eye on that story to see how things progress. Taking a look at the crypto macro environment as a whole, okay, things are starting to go back up a little bit, but as you can see in the last day, here, let's just go to the top tokens. We're just going to focus on the 24-hour here. As you can see, Bitcoin just took a shot down. Ethereum took a shot down, almost 7%. Solana's down 10%. Terra's down after that big run up. Avalanche is down after that big run up. All the main large coins, Polkadot, are down about anywhere from 6.5% to 12% for the main blockchains. And that's normal. A lot of them follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, that kind of has a cascading effect where everything goes down. And then we see that in a lot of the DAOs too. Time is no different. But we're also at the end of the year. And what I think is happening is these prices are being suppressed, and some of these prices are taking big drops down, especially in the instance of Time, because I think what's happening is people made some gains, or maybe they have some losses, and what they're doing is some tax loss harvesting. So what that is let's say you bought in high. If I bought in Time at 10 grand when it was at its peak, and then it plummeted down to $4,000, I can get tax benefits from selling at a loss and then use that as a credit towards my taxes. So again, this is not financial advice. Talk to a tax lawyer, a tax attorney, or talks to a certified accountant that you trust to do your taxes and that is well versed in this stuff. Crypto is a rapidly evolving space, so this isn't, like I said, I'm just a village idiot. This is just what I think is happening. So I wouldn't fret. If anything, if you have some dry powder, if you have capital to deploy, this could be a blessing in disguise. Whenever you see red, whenever I see red, that's what I'm thinking, like, oh yeah, this is my time to be aggressive, baby. I'm like a bull charging one of those blankets, one of those red flags, because for me, that's a good deal. That's like a sale sign. So when I see red, that makes me it makes me grin. It makes me smile. It makes me happy because it's like I'm buying stuff at a discount because I just want to add to my bags and stick around long term. I am going to attempt some tax loss harvesting with some buys that I had that didn't play out as planned, but hey, that happens. No one shoots 100%. Got to use a strategy that's best for you though, and talk to an accountant to figure out what is the best way to go about it for you. So yeah, I just wanted to make those 2 points. I did add to my position on time because I think this dip is a good opportunity to do so for me personally, and I plan on holding for at least the next 6 months unless things change drastically, start to look differently, and just the macro environment as a whole. Things get kind of squirrely year end. People start selling off for taxes. They anticipate having to pay taxes, but actually that probably won't happen until around February, maybe late January, February, when people start doing their taxes and realize, oh crap, I owe way more than I thought. And we're going to see that especially with all the money made on airdrops, on NFT flipping, on just crypto in general, because we had such a bull run this year in 2021. So it's exciting stuff. It'll be very interesting to see what the fallout looks like though when tax season comes around. But I think some of what we're seeing here with this this dip, just kind of in general with some of the DAOs like Time, Olympus, and some of the larger cap coins, computer coins, cryptos, is partly due to people doing some tax loss harvesting. So that, and I think there's some big players trying to shake people out with leverage to get cheaper coins. But hey, that's another topic for another day. Hope this was helpful. Like I said, Wonderland's still looking strong. I mean, Daniele's still a good leader. A lot of things are coming together. You can tell he's fired up, man. If you check out his Twitter, he's like constantly putting out some good info. Let's check it out real quick. He's still putting out some good stuff. Daniele, where are you at? Did I spell it right? There he is. People Maxi, solid dude. All right, yeah, he looks like he's taking feedback from the community. What's the coolest coins on Avalanche right now? Getting ready to cook. D569. He's got a great sense of humor. What's this? If y'all buy convex to get bribes, but who is bribing buys convex, then there is no more bribes. Okay, got some circular logic going on there, but interesting. I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm big brain enough to understand that right now. I think I maybe understood about 60% of that, but hey, 60% batting average ain't too bad. Anyway, yeah, things are looking good. The ecosystem is coming together. I think now is a good opportunity to buy Wonderland for me, so that's what I did. Do what you think is best for you. Runway is still strong. Backing per time still very strong. Treasury balance under $1 billion still, but I think we're going to see that tick up a little bit. APY still some of the best gains in the game for something as sustainable as this. This is unheard of, guys. Like 6 months ago, I mean, with the exception of Olympus DAO, but no one freaking knew what that was really 6 months ago. Maybe a few like super enthusiastic people about crypto, and we still got a year left with this, so I'm gonna probably continue to add to my position on down days when it comes to time, and stick around for the next 6 months or so just to kind of see how things play out, and cash in on this big fat juicy APY, and hopefully 6 months is a long enough time frame for me to start seeing that exponential gains effect that comes with compound interest. Very powerful force. All right, guys, that's all for now. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I've got some time-sensitive things coming your way. Again, I'll ask this one more time. I just got the community tab, so I'll ask it there too. But if you want to see anything about NFTs, projects that are coming up, or anything of that nature, let me know, and I will happily oblige. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted whenever I have a brand new video coming up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.